Hi, this is Daniel again. Welcome to another video. Today we are going to talk about assessment on ESP in young learners. There is a backwash effect on examinations and evaluation. How so? Or why do we call it a backwash? Well, how exams affect teaching and learning? Well, the teachers choose content, then the students learn this content, then the teachers create exams, and the final result is going to be only what teachers were teaching. So, when testing English for specific purposes, it is very important that they are presenting samples of communication activities. They need to focus on communication purposes and linguistic features, functions, descriptions of content areas, and language skills. Basically, what they need to do is to be tested in real-life skills. That's why English for specific purposes tests are more concerned to present learners with tasks that involve them in reading, listening, speaking, writing the target language, and evaluating how well they can do this, once again, in real-life content. Real-life examples should be used, and in task-based evaluation is recommended for English for specific purposes. Basically, just put the students to do what they will do in real life, real examples. When testing young learners, it is important to remember that testing should assess all the skills and should help children to determine their strengths. Research in the education of psychology indicates that feedback is most effective when it relates to a specific task and focuses on how to improve performance. Therefore, when you're testing children, you need to remember that feedback from the test and practice activities should focus on improving areas in which they are weak. They need to see the purpose of what you're doing while you're testing them. Also, parents need to be involved in the test process because motivation from family is really important. Some aspects to consider when testing young learners, and you should include them in your tests, are visual cues, colorful illustration, limited reading and writing or reduced paragraphs. Listening tests should be also visual, so they have multiple questions, and remember to grade that material according to their age, and they should have content that is really familiar for them in terms of the objects that they see on the tests. Scaffolding is extremely important in this test. When you are designing this test, they would see a clear progression in each skill, from control to more open-ended exercises. And when it comes to speaking, it should involve simple conversation, straightforward questions, and remember that, once again, feedback and positive feedback is really important when testing children. Well, thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and comment.